Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study about blood transfusions. When we need this blood transfusions mean transferring of someone's blood into a recipient. The person who donates blood is called donor, while the person who receives blood is called recipient. Why we need blood transfusions? We know that in case of accidents there is extreme bleeding, which can lead to hypoxic conditions inside the body, and which can lead to shock inside the body. So then we need blood transfusions immediately. Now, blood transfusion is not as simple as it was said that transferring of someone's blood into someone. This is not as simple. There is a scenario behind it, that how these blood transfusions are possible. Because in past, when we didn't know about the genetics behind these blood transfusions, it was the case that there was many deaths with which result from blood transfusion. But now we know the genetics, and today it is our concern to know the reasons behind the blood transfusion, reasons behind the agglutination, mismatch, cross matching. So in our blood there are commonly 30 antigens. There are many antigens, not only 30. There are many antigens, but 30 are commonly occurring, which can occur 1:3 ratio. Okay, so 30 commonly occurring antigens are present, which can cause immediate agglutination or delayed agglutination. But the most important types involved in agglutination processes, in mismatching processes, are ABO blood group system and RH blood group system. Now, what is this ABO blood group system and what is this RH blood group system? It is our main concern for today's video. So we will study first ABO blood group system. What is ABO blood group system? What is its genotype? What type of antigens are present in it? What types of antibodies are formed? All this we will study in today's video. So, ABO blood group system. It is mainly of 4 types. We know, we have commonly heard that you are A group, you are A positive, you are B positive, etc. So this is the ABO blood group system. What is ABO blood group system? ABO blood group system usually contains 4 types of blood. One type is A, which is 41%. This is the ratio among all the nations, among all the world. B is usually of 9%, while O is 47%, the mostly occurring blood type, while the AB is only 3%. So these are the blood types. Now we will study the genotype behind these blood types. If we contain capital A or OA genes, then the phenotype will be A, because A is dominant over this O. So both of these genotype will mark for A blood group system, while BB and OB, these will mark for B, because again B is completely dominant over O, while the OO genes are usually for O. These mark for O, while the AB blood, if we have types both genes, gene for A and gene for B, then we will be AB. So 6 genotypes mark for 4 blood types. Okay, blood type is formed. Now we will see what types of antigens and antibodies are formed. Obviously A blood type, so our blood will contain A antigen. Where this antigen is present? This antigen is present on the surfaces of RBCs.